Isa pong workshop series ang sinimulan sa Toronto kung saan pinagsama ang arnis at hip-hop. Isang paraan daw po ito para patuloy na buhayin ang kulturang Pilipino dito sa Canada. Silipin natin sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Sa bagong libreng 8-week workshop program ng Combat Science Warrior Arts of Asia at Adhika, makikita ang fusion ng arnis at hip-hop. Ito ang pilot project ni Head Instructor JB Ramos at Dance Educator Queenie Seguban na anilay never been done before.
Throughout the next 8 weeks, it's going to be very interesting to see how both movements will be able to be fused. So with arnis, we're incorporating the movement of the arnis stick with movements of hip-hop dance. So both still entail movement of the body, but incorporating very basics of the Filipino martial arts.
In terms of creating performances that's inspired by Filipino martial arts is something that's not been done yet. So I think putting together the performances while we do that, we're also going to be exploring the histories of both those disciplines as we learn.
Anila, paraan ito para mahikayat ang mga kabataang Pilipino na maging mas interesado sa kanilang kultura.
Recently, napansin namin na one of the best ways of engaging with the youth is kung yung arnis can be fused with something na they're very interested in, like hip-hop. Sikat na sikat ang hip-hop with Pinoy. So we thought maybe this would be the best way na makita nila yung history and at the same time, mag-enjoy sila.
Para sa ilang sumali, sila'y naging interesado dahil nais nilang matutunan at mahasa ang arnis at dance skills. Interesado din daw silang makita ang itsura ng hip-hop at arnis fusion.
I think in our culture, music has played such an important part in dance as well, and also in terms of decolonization. Dance has been a way for us to keep the martial arts traditions alive without having it obvious. So arnis and hip-hop, again, combining the two, the dance and everything, and also the rhythm and the soul, because music is the soul of a culture. And so being able to tap into that and connect on a deeper level is just so important.
Ikinatuwa naman ng iba ang oportunidad na makilala ang ibang tao sa komunidad at bigyang halaga ang kanilang kultura.
I feel so proud na even though I am here in Canada and wala ako sa Philippines, I can still feel the vibe of the Filipinos, and we all know the Filipinos love music, they love singing, and they also love dancing. So it's great na dinala yung culture dito.
Bagamat puno na ang mga klase sa ngayon, pinaplano na daw nilang ulitin at palawakin pa ang workshop.
We're definitely hoping to make this an annual thing. It seems like other people are interested to incorporate arnis within the dance community.
Sa pagtatapos ng programa, ipapamalas ng mga sumali ang mga natutunan nila sa pamamagitan ng isang performance para sa 40th anniversary celebration ng grupong Adhika sa Setyembre. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.